In my last video, I said that I couldn't solve a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to prove that I can solve a Rubik's Cube now because I've learned how to solve one. So let's scramble it up. Okay, now we have it all scrambled up. So I'm going to solve it. 3, 2, 1, go. I've been practicing a lot, so I'm pretty fast. And there we go. I've solved it. And make sure to keep trying and never give up. And especially on Rubik's Cubes because they are one of the hardest puzzles. So with that, make sure to like if you liked the video, subscribe, and share if you recommend it. Bye.